Easy, delicious cooking for my family, for my friends. Always happy, always laughter. Let's get together for a meal tonight.
Guess what Allicin is? It's something you get from garlic that helps you with your colds and flu. I'll tell you at the end of this video. First thing we'll do is we'll roughly cut garlic. There's 20 cloves of garlic here. We'll cut the leek next. We'll cut the bread into small croutons. We'll just prepare it now. And that's the croutons done. The recipe calls for 3 medium to large potatoes. These are small, so this is about the same amount. So what we'll do now is we'll cut them. There's the leeks with the garlic. My potatoes are cooked in the stock, so now we'll mix them together. We'll put them all in here. So the two mixtures now are combined. So what we'll do is let it cool down a bit, and we'll put it all in the blender and blend it into a nice creamy soup. It's just about done. So this would be a good time to actually taste it. I know I keep doing this, but there's so much flavour there. Okay, so now the soup has cooled down a bit. We'll put it all in here and blend it. Let's have a quick look. It's nice and creamy. That's what you want. Get back to you when it's all done. To say that garlic is my friend is a gross understatement. I love garlic. Allicin is a chemical that's secreted by the garlic when you chew it. However, when you cook it, most of that chemical is actually destroyed. So the secret is to crush it, let it sit there for 10 minutes, and then cook it. That will preserve a lot of the allicin. And allicin is the chemical that's the antibacterial, antimicrobial, and anti-everything else that helps in some little way with your recovery and your immune system to cope with colds and flus. That's it. As always, thank you for watching, and till the next video, bye.
Easy, delicious cooking for my family, for my friends. Always happy, always laughter. Let's get together for a meal tonight.